Hi, I'm Miss Kim. I'm the art link instructor at the Music Connection of Conservatory of Music and Art. So I've done a week one free mini art class. If you have not seen that video, you can just go ahead and look on our website. What I did in that lesson was this, my Colorful Thoughts journal, taking an old notebook at home that I had and using printer paper from my computer, simply colored this, and all that'll be on that video. I affixed it with a stapler, and then I added ribbon to dress it up, double knotted it. Then I did some other inside pages. But now I'm moving on to week two. That's this lesson where I'm doing a continuation of other pages within the book. So I'm going to start here with the first page. As you turn, right here I made a secret pocket. How I did that is I had two colors of construction paper that fit my notebook. If you have bigger pieces, you can always cut it with scissors to fit. What I did is I took my stapler and I simply stapled it this way because then you don't see, it just looks better. So just staple it from out here all the way around on your blue one to fit in, and then after that you layer the other contrasting color. I picked orange and I stapled around it to fix it, and then I bent this corner to make the pocket. So it's my secret pocket. Then I happen to have some foam cut out pieces, and I'm like, what can I do with those? I decided to use my glue stick and go ahead and made a flower, and I put the butterfly, and I just fit it there just to dress up the page. You don't have to do that either. You could leave it plain. You can doodle on it. Something, say you like dinosaurs and you want to do a dinosaur, or if you have, say, bling at home, little stickers, you can put any of that here too. Okay, it's your journal. The thing I want you to see is I kept the pretty trim of the paper that I designed for the cover to show, at least on the bottom and the side. The top I kept just construction paper. So that makes it really nice looking, okay? So keep that in mind when you're affixing it on with the stapler and the staples, okay? This page we did in the other video. It was simply leftover ribbon that had been cut off, and I just decided to glue it on with the glue stick, the pieces, use a marker to write words that design friends and so have you. You can write whatever you want, and then I used a yellow marker just to highlight the background, so the whole page is covered. Next little idea, and I wanted to show it to you, is this. I used a home magazine that I was done reading. If your parents have any magazines, ask them what you can use to cut out of. And I simply used my scissors and glue stick, cut out some things that spoke to me. I like smiling people because I'm a positive person. Ooh. And I put another one here, and I just put this, things that make me smile. I wrote that. You can write what you want within yours. And I cut out cute dogs and flowers and things, words that were important, like make it work and one happy life. So I put things like that within my journal. I just cut them out and pasted them. That is another idea. And then the background, I use markers to write words like home, goals, those kind of things. And then the yellow just to dress up the background, something light and bright. So I did a couple pages like that. As you can see, yours does not have to be exactly like mine. Yours is yours. But you are just incorporating these same concepts in it, okay?